Home Remedies presents How to treat burning sensation naturally at home. Burning sensations are a feeling of warmth or heat and may or may not be accompanied by pain. The burning sensation can appear anywhere on or in your arms, hands, fingers, toes, legs, feet, head, face, stomach, or anywhere on or in the body. The pain can be distinct from dull, stabbing, or aching pain. A burning pain is often related to nerve problems. The remedy I will share today is for topical application using simple ingredients. Let's see the remedy. Ingredients: mint or coriander leaves, 200 grams. Preparation: take the leaves and wash them thoroughly, then grind the leaves with little water in mixer grinder to get a smooth paste. Apply this paste on the affected areas. Let it to be there for 1 to 2 hours to control burning sensation. The burning sensation will vanish within this time. About the ingredients: mint leaves and coriander leaves both have cooling properties. These leaves help to get rid of this burning sensation of the body. Mint leaf is a herb that has many medicinal properties. Similarly, coriander leaves are also used to treat some health problems. Burning sensation is one of them. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.